This video was sponsored by Enhance, Neowatt, A Better Road Planner, Elbilmek, Kempower and Bilkomponenter. Good morning, or rather afternoon. I wasn't planning on shooting video today, so I didn't bring my camera bag. But I'll probably just make a short vlog with the phone here. Yeah, I look tired because I was out driving the Onvo L90 last night. But okay, we are now near Disney Town. We're gonna go to the Disney Town because it's free entrance, probably also better. Disney, what was it again? Disney World is, cost money and the kids might not enjoy it too much. So yeah, we are now back with the Exlantix or Exceed. So it's not as big as the Onvo, but it feels more nimble. But I mean, pros and cons with both cars. Yeah. And then right now the kids are asleep. Yeah, Isabel and Ox is asleep there. And then we turn on the HVAC for the rear. That's great that we have control for it here. Let me show you. We do this, and then rear row, and then yeah. So the axle tends to get hot after a while. But I'm gonna show you now. So we have 51% battery. The car should charge quite fast, but eventually we need to charge. I had trouble charging at the hotel, so it's kind of strange because these chargers over here they are a bit old. Some of them actually look really old. Let me try to show you here. I can't hard to show, but yeah. So. And also over there, bus chargers. I tried it and then I gave up. There was a QR code I scanned. I just got a ID up in the WeChat app. So I was like, huh, what? Whatever. It's not critical now, and especially because this car charges so fast, we can always just top up somewhere. But let me show you this, like the magnitude of the expect P9, G9, sorry. The magnitude of just I don't know what to call this, electrification in China is amazing. So here we have Xpeng chargers. As soon as the Xpeng arrived, then the thing, the blocking there went away. So Xpeng chargers, first time I see them in real. And then we have plenty of these solar canopies with inverters. There's one inverter, plenty of inverters. Like basically the car, the roof, covering the cars, they are just solar. ABC, always be solar all over the place. Also over there we have bus charging, and also the same there, plenty of chargers, plenty of solar. I'm just blown away by how they design things here in China. Well, Isabel likes to ride Megan, so she sees everything. Yeah! Yeah, I forgot to shoot some video. We had some lunch, just regular, well, it was actually Japanese food, but there's so much food options here. Wow. And again, I noticed that it seems to be child-friendly area and also tourist-friendly because stuff here is actually in English. However, there are no Falang here, no white people, only Asians. And also, I noticed that the streets here, they are extremely clean. No litter, no bottles, nothing, It's remarkable how clean and tidy it is. However, there seems to be guards everywhere, and probably also video surveillance everywhere. And also not that many people smoke. I haven't smelled any smoke here. Wish it was that tidy in Europe. We just have to have a strict regime in Europe, right? Because there's freaking litter and bottles and stuff everywhere over there, many places. But do I want to give up freedom just to get cleanliness?
And you will need to pass through a metal detector.
Wow.
All guests.
It's not that big. I think we're gonna let the kids play here. There is a playground here.
Shanghai Disney Resort official website.
Wait, how do you get in there? Well, we purchased this bubble machine. Seems like it's great fun for Axel to chase the bubbles. Yeah. It's 5 in the afternoon now. That's the castle at the Disneyland, but we're not going there. So that's fine. I think wifey wants some green tea, ice cream. This is still nice and chill. Wifey likes that we can actually rent strollers here. We only have this one stroller. The other stroller we borrow in Wuhu, it stays in Wuhu. Whatever happens in Wuhu stays in Wuhu. And then earlier today it was nice and warm, probably around 18 degrees Celsius, sunny. So you see, I've just brought the t-shirt with me, and then, well, at least long pants. But didn't bring the storm bag jacket. So now I feel like it's getting slightly cold. But as long as I'm carrying Isabel, yeah, the big baby, then I'll get some heat there, and I need to burn calories anyway. Been eating good in China, yeah. The food in China is good. Wait, okay, where did wifey go now? There, Christmas tree, they haven't lit it up yet. Yeah, and then phone works fine, you know. I could just start vlogging with the phone instead. And then maybe get a DJI mic, where I have the Rode mic. Actually, once it gets darker, then the phone really struggles compared to the way bigger sensor in the camcorder. The Hulk. See, Isabella's oh, the Hulk. Isabel is a Hulk. Yeah. So angry. Isabella's so thin. Oh, Hulk. Okay, let's go. Okay, we are about to, Isabel, the car is over there. Come on, let's go, baby. Come on, we are almost at the car. Now means cold. Isabel, go to the car, and it's nice and warm in there. Yeah, come on. The Exlantix is over here, but the Exceed is here. Alright, we are back in the hotel room. Not too late today. We've been returning really late. Isabel is being naughty again. Isabel, be a good girl now, okay? You had ice cream today, you got the new toy. Yeah. So, we need to find some food eventually, but okay, maybe we can do room service like yesterday, we'll see. And I also think tonight I need to get proper sleep, because, well, actually it's more like this. If I get the lights off from above, you see, yeah, there, you see. I need to catch up on sleep, but okay, yeah, one night is okay. Several nights in a row without enough sleep, then that's dangerous if I need to drive far. Alright, it's dining time, and then by coincidence I tried this when we were at that resting area on the way to Shanghai several days ago. It's good. It tastes peach, and of course, true Thai people, we need to put ice cubes in it. Yeah, it's refrigerated, but with ice cubes, it's extra cool. Yeah. We found a convenience store nearby here, just a small one near the train station. So, okay, drinks are ready. No, Axel. He's eating. Axel, he can't sit still nowadays. So he's eating and then just running around. So we prefer eating in a room. Yeah, good girl, Isabel. You were hungry, right? Good girl. Yum, yum, yum. Look at this. We've been eating Chinese food almost every day now. There's some fried rice with some vegetables. And then we have actually more vegetable here with the meat. Wow. This seems to be Chinese sausage. Similar to what we have in Thailand, Kunchiang. Yeah. Oh, okay. Healthy food, huh? Okay, Isabel, which one you want, huh? There, varsågod. Skål. Should bring a couple of bottles of these back to Thailand, huh? Yeah. Man, look here. Try to zoom in here with the camera. Oh, look at that sheep. I get dry skin while in China. And it's only 10 to 15 degrees Celsius. Not sure what's up with that. Also, here, on my legs here. Look at that shit. I was fully healed when I was in Thailand for just a couple of days, or 3-4 days. But then over here, in proper winter, Chinese winter, then this is I can show you here. We have full. Yeah, look at that. We have nice. Wait. Oh shit! There's so good there's so good Chinese food over here, man. Oh, and those legs. Oh man, I have leg day every day because I need to carry Axel. Yeah, and Isabel when we are on outside, and then Axel at night. The kids. Yeah, her when we are outside daytime, and then Axel before sleep. So yeah, I never skip leg day. Shit. Alright, I finally bothered to use the proper camcorder with the best sound. So here's some of the food. Yeah, the kids and wife, they ate all the other food, or I mean, this is the remains. So this is good. Yeah, we didn't go for too much today. Only 131 yuan. And then I was about to say that I'm gonna miss the great Chinese food, but in Thailand we already have great Thai food. Okay, but it's still quite good Chinese food. I love this. Isabel, you don't eat this. No, you don't eat this. Here, this is for you, corn.
Yeah. No.
Good girl.
Daddy,
Good girl. แล้วก็คายออกใช่ไหมมาลำอ่ะ You don't like it?
I like it.
No, you don't like it.